Are you ready to dive into the world of newborn essentials and create the ultimate baby registry list? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will unveil the must-have items every parents need to welcome their little bundle of joy. From adorable onesies to safe car seats, swaddling blankets to diaper changing tables, we've got all the newborn essentials covered. Get ready to embark on this exciting journey of preparing for your baby's arrival. Let's jump right into the world of baby registry lists and newborn essentials in no particular order, shall we? First on our list, crib. A safe and cozy place for your little one to snooze peacefully. Look for a crib that meets the latest safety standards with adjustable mattress height and sturdy construction. Trust me, a good night's sleep for your baby means a good night's sleep for you too. Consider adding a bedside crib. This particular crib attaches to the parent's bed and are sometimes called co-sleeper. I used one a long time ago with my babies and trust me, it made my life easier. For those precious bonding moments and easier nighttime feedings, consider this crib that attaches to your bed. It keeps your baby close while providing a safe sleeping space. You'll love the convenience and your little one will surely appreciate being near you. While we are on the topic of cribs, let's add to the list mattress cover. Accidents happen, and when they do, you'll be glad you have a waterproof mattress cover. It protects the crib mattress from spills, leaks, and stains, ensuring a hygienic and comfortable sleep surface for your baby. Hello, this is Nurse Cherry from Mother Baby Central, your trusted guide and mother baby care expert who shares valuable insights, tips, and guidance to help you navigate the magical world of parenting in your baby's early stages of life. Whether you're a new mom, an experienced parent, or just curious about mother-baby care, you've come to the right place. Moving on to the next on our baby registry list, car seat and stroller combo. Oh, the adventures you'll have with your little explorer. A car seat and stroller combo is a lifesaver when you're on the move. Ensure it's easy to install, lightweight, and has excellent safety ratings. Bonus points for a stroller with extra storage for all those baby essentials. You will appreciate a combo during those endless pediatrician visits. Most of the time, your baby falls asleep during car rides, and on these moments, you don't need to wake up a sleeping baby. Simply lift the car seat off the base and attach it to the stroller. Easy peasy. Diaper changing table. This piece of furniture will save your back and will make those diaper changes a breeze. Choose a sturdy build, ample storage space, and a comfortable changing pad. Baby bouncer or a swing. When you need a moment to catch your breath or have hands-free time, a baby bouncer or swing is a lifesaver. It can soothe and entertain your little one while giving you a break. Look for one with adjustable speeds and soothing features. Baby monitor. Keep a watchful eye on your little one, even when you're in another room. A reliable baby monitor with video and audio capabilities will provide you with peace of mind and allow you to check on your baby at any time. Baby carrier. Keep your baby close and your hands free with a baby carrier. It's perfect for walking, running errands, or just keeping your little one comfortable and content. Look for a carrier that provides good back support and is easy to adjust. The baby essential everyone thinks about, diapers. Make sure you have a good supply of newborn-sized diapers, but it won't hurt to add different sized diapers, like a step-up to like a number 1 and number 2. Opt for a gentle brand on sensitive skin that provides excellent leakage protection. Trust me, you'll be grateful for their reliability during those diaper changes. Trailing behind the diapers are baby wipes, a lifesaver for quick cleanups and diaper changes. Look for gentle wipes on delicate skin, fragrance-free and hypoallergenic. You'll reach for those handy wipes more times than you can count, believe me. Before we continue, if you stay until the end of our video, I will share a bonus tip that's just as important as what should be in your baby registry list. So stick with me as we move along. Swaddling blankets. Babies love being snug as a bug in a rug, and swaddling blankets are perfect for that. Look for soft, breathable fabrics that allow easy swaddling, like a muslin or cotton. Cozy wraps will soothe your little one and create a peaceful sleep environment. Baby clothes in various sizes. Babies grow quickly, so make sure to have a range of clothes in different sizes. Stock up on onesies and make sure it makes the baby registry list. Let's talk about those adorable little outfits that make everyone go, "Aww." And don't forget to include those various sizes as well. They're comfy, easy to put on, and ideal for day-to-day wear. Trust me, you'll change them more often than you can imagine. Plus, click on those pajamas too. Just like us, babies appreciate a cozy night's sleep. Invest in soft, breathable pajamas that will help keep your little one comfortable throughout the night. Bonus points for pajamas with easy diaper access for those middle-of-the-night changes. Baby sack. Sleep sacks are an excellent alternative to loose blankets and help keep your baby warm during naps and bedtime. Look for one that's the right size for your little one and is made from breathable fabric. Your baby will sleep snugly and safely in the cozy cocoon. Mittens and socks. Newborns have the tiniest, most adorable fingers and toes. Keep them warm and protected with soft mittens and socks. Not only do they add an extra cuteness factor, but they also keep your baby cozy, especially during those chilly days. Now let's venture out to one of the most essential baby needs, feeding gadgets. Top of the list, breast pump. For all the wonderful breastfeeding moms out there, a double setup electric breast pump is a game changer. It allows you to express milk when you're awake or need a little break. Look for a pump that is efficient, comfortable, and easy to clean. Most health insurances covers the cost of an electric breast pump, but some have a particular brand they give. So if you did your research and prefer a particular brand, include it in your baby registry list. A nursing pillow. Regarding breastfeeding, a nursing pillow is a must-have accessory. It supports you and your baby, making the breastfeeding experience more comfortable. Look for a washable cover and adjustable straps for a perfect fit. Bottle sterilizer, bottle brushes, and a drying rack. If you're bottle feeding, a bottle sterilizer will ensure your baby's bottles are clean and germ-free. Look for one that is easy to use, spacious enough for multiple bottles, and has a quick sterilization cycle. Baby bathtub. Bath time can be a joyful bonding experience. A baby's bathtub designed for newborns will make bath time safe and enjoyable. Look for a contour design, a non-slip surface, and built-in support to keep your little one secure. Baby thermometer. A sick baby can be a worry, but a reliable baby thermometer will help you monitor their temperature with ease. Look for a digital thermometer that provides accurate readings quickly and is safe to use for both rectal and axillary measurements. Baby nail clippers or scissors. Those tiny nails grow faster than you think, and you'll want a baby nail clipper or scissors to keep them neat and prevent accidental scratches. Look for a pair with rounded edges and comfortable grip for precise trimming. A bulb syringe and saline solution. These two go hand in hand. Babies can get stuffy noses occasionally, and a bulb syringe comes to the rescue. These handy tools help clear out nasal congestion and relieves your little one. Keep it on hand for those moments when your baby needs a little extra help. As promised, before we wrap up, I have a bonus piece of information that is just as important as the baby registry list: creating a support network. As you embark on your parenting journey, having a solid support system can make all the difference. It's essential to reach out to family, friends, and even online communities of fellow parents. They can offer guidance, share their experience, and provide emotional support when you need it most. Parenting can be challenging at times, but having a network of people who understands and can lend a helping hand can truly lighten the load. So remember to nurture those relationships, seek advice, and be open to connecting with other parents. You're not alone in this journey, and building a support network can be even more rewarding. Alright, my wonderful viewers, that wraps up today's video on newborn essentials for your baby registry list, along with the bonus tip of creating a support network. I hope you find this video helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more joyful and informative content on all things mom and baby. Until next time, be well and make each day count, spread the love, and always be kind.